Ah, nature, life's eternal beauty. Just listen to the running waters. Hear the sounds of the birds chirp. There is a human in its natural habitat, swimming in the waters of the great river. To the left is the upstream. It's very nice, calm, cool, not too high, not too low. To the right, downstream. Very calm, very cool, not too high, not too low. There's a koala can in its natural habitat, sitting there waiting for its prey or predator to come and drink it. Very calm day today. Yes, indeed, very calm day. The nature sounds so beautiful. Just listen to the birds. The birds chirp so nicely. The water, a beautiful sound of a running stream. It is an honor to be able to just sit and listen and watch the beauty of nature. And with this is Boss Nader Beast closing out.